Many teachers and organizations like the College Board use rubrics to clearly articulate coding project requirements. This is particularly true with large coding projects. AI can be a great tool to assist teachers and students that are evaluating rubric compliance. Often, comparing student code to rubric requirements can be a time-consuming task. Many teachers delay this task until they have a bulk of time to address grading for all students. The consequence for the student is delayed feedback and loss of comprehension. AI can help speed up this cycle. A common rubric many CS students see is the AP-CSP Create Performance task. This rubric lays out the requirements to obtain a top AP score on the student-developed code. In this next assignment, we'll feed our favorite AI tool both a student-written coding assignment and the AP-CSP Create Performance task rubric. We will ask AI to evaluate conformance to the coding specifications contained in the rubric. Before jumping to AI, let's familiarize ourselves with the AP-CPS Create Performance task rubric in the student code. Then we will look at AI.